They can't let one member of the press in and not the other, so I'm going to follow these guys in.
You can't enter with the camera?
Well, we have an interview with Caldera.
Okay.
So I'm not sure where to go to meet.
Okay, y'all would have to wait outside and then I'll follow you.
Let them know. Okay. Well, where is the city council meeting? On the other side of the building? Okay, I got it. Is it like in this complex?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, so it's just on the other side. Okay. And can we bring our cameras in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can we get set up before?
Just not on the side of the building? Okay.
So
All right,
can I go over there and get set up now for the meeting, ma'am? Is it, no? Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if your camera is as small as mine or as big as this very expensive camera. You cannot film, you cannot do anything inside Leon Valley Police Department. Absolutely ridiculous when the taxpayers are the ones that are funding this place, yet they sit there like it's their protected castle from the taxpayers.
Thanks, 5. Get down the other end and we'll get you in that building down there.
So you're allowing all,
Down there, we'll get you in that door down
are you allowing all media in, sir?
My photographer just ran over there.
Okay, yeah. We'll just
Are
get
you
down
allowing all media in, sir? Sir, are you allowing all media in? Yeah, watch.
You have to go down there.
I guess they said the media entrance was down here. Yeah, he probably didn't hear me. You're probably right. So,
Yes,
Is this it?
I believe so. Yeah, I don't see.
yeah, I don't think there's another. I'll see. I don't think it.
Sorry, I didn't know.
No, that's all right. Thanks. Sir, we're not open
What
yet.
the? No.
Get out of the way.
How come you're letting that media in, but not me? Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! I am not resisting. I am not resisting. Get your hands off me.
Put it back.
Why is that me allowed in, but not me?
You're under arrest for obstructing.
For what? You obstructed me. I thought you were letting media
No.
in.
No, sir. I'm back pushing me.
I'm not touching, but I'm not pushing. Hey, you're breaking my stuff. I'm not resisting. Get your hands off me. Ow, you're hurting my arm. You're hurting me.